Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot verify payment information. Contact Apple support for more information on your iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you're facing this type issue, then whenever you try to add a payment method in your iPhone, so you must have or you get a message like that your payment information cannot be verified. So let's see how can you fix that. So basically it happens when you have entered an incorrect country or region. So let's see some possible fixes. The very first is that you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected. So open your settings here, go for general here, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect. Then you have to double check your network connection that you have a strongest and a stable network connection. Go back from here and go for the language and region option here. Select region and select your own region in which you're living. Then go back again and from here just select the date and time option and enable this option to set your date and time automatically. Or if this time zone is incorrect, you just have to disable this. Select your time zone in which you're living, then enable this again. After doing that, go back. I also recommend to make a software update here. Just update your software, then go back again. Now you just have to go back, open your app store here, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, then tap on your Apple ID here, verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, then select this country or region option. Now you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living, or the country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone. So I have selected this one. I'm going to reselect this, and here select the continue option. Now tap on agree option in the top right corner, and here you'll have to add your payment method. So here you have to add your payment method, might be credit card, debit card, your PayPal account, your mobile phone, or any other service based on your location or the country or region which you have selected. You can also use this camera option to scan your credit card, and after that you have to add your billing address here, your street. You can skip these optional if you want. You have to enter your postcode. If you don't know about that, you have to search on Google for your postcode, then add town or country here, your phone number here, then enter your name. After it all, you just have to tap on this done option in the top right corner, and your payment method will be successfully updated into your Apple ID, and you will not get any issue again. Or if in some cases if you still face any issue, so you have to open your Apple Support app here. You can use Apple Support Web. Select your iPhone from here. Select more option here, and here select App Store, and here just look for the option of get more help, then tap and call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.